Welcome to Think IP, the podcast where we break down smart business strategies to turn ideas into wealth creation machines. I'm Dr. M, and today I'll talk about the Think framework and how it is found in many leading companies. In this session, we dive into the world of Lego, how a small Danish toy company built a global empire through trademark and design protection. Lego is more than just a toy, it's a cultural phenomenon, and behind its success, a rock-solid IP strategy that has stood the test of time. So, if you're an entrepreneur, startup founder, or business leader looking to play smart, tired of common practice and searching for best practice, stick around till the end. You won't regret it. Let's break it down. Back in 1932, Lego started as a small carpentry workshop in Denmark. But in 1958, everything changed. They patented the interlocking brick design, a simple yet revolutionary idea. This patent gave Lego an iron grip on the market, ensuring competitors couldn't copy their brick system. The result? A toy empire. But here's the kicker. Patents expire. And Lego's patent ran out in the late 80s. So, how did they stay ahead? Once the patent expired, knockoff brands flooded the market. But Lego had a master plan. They shifted their focus to trademarks, protecting their logo, name, and distinctive font. Design rights, securing the look of their minifigures, bricks, and packaging. By intelligently locking in these protections, Lego stayed exclusive and kept copycats at bay. How did Lego's IP strategy evolve? Let's apply the Think framework. T. Think. Lego envisioned a brand that sparks creativity across generations. The goal? To make timeless toys that parents and kids love together. H. Harness. They used patents early on for market control. When patents expired, they pivoted to trademarks and design rights. Smart move. I. Innovate. Lego kept evolving, introducing new themes, licensing big names like Star Wars, Marvel, and Harry Potter, and expanding into video games and augmented reality. N. Navigate. They fight back against imitators, aggressively enforcing trademarks in courts worldwide. K. Keep through strong IP management. Lego keeps its brand alive for every new generation. Lego doesn't just protect its designs, it maximizes them. Brand collaborations. By partnering with cultural giants like Disney, Marvel, and Nintendo, Lego taps into new audiences. Digital expansion. From Minecraft-style games to augmented reality play, Lego stays ahead in the digital world. Theme parks and movies. With Legoland and the Lego Movie, they've transformed playtime into full-blown experiences. Lego proves that intellectual property isn't just legal paperwork. It's a brand's lifeline. By evolving its IP strategy over decades, Lego has protected its legacy, dominated the market, and stayed innovative. And that's how you build a brand brick by brick. That's a wrap on today's episode. If you enjoyed this, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment on your favorite Lego memory. See you next time on Brand Builders, where we decode the genius behind the world's biggest brands. If you want to read more about what we've talked about today, hit the subscribe button, and I'll send you a free copy of the Think IP book, over 300 pages of practical tips. If you found this discussion valuable, be sure to share this episode with fellow entrepreneurs and business leaders. Until next time, Think IP, it pays.